Okay, so both on wood chopping duty.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna chop a lot of trees. How's that sound?
Okay.
Tree fell on me. I don't know how a tree fell.
I think Kevin's also up there with you. Oh no, he's right here.
Yeah, no, my own tree fell on me.
Like, I'm coming back to haunt you.
Apparently. A lot of logs up here if you're looking for. I mean, a
I
ton.
threw some logs down here. Where the f did my logs go?
Oh, Calvin might have grabbed them. I told him to collect logs.
Yeah, but they're not. Did you tell him to put in the holder?
Yeah,
They're not there.
it's okay. I have so many logs up here. You want to grab some?
I guess. I only have 2 hands.
But you can take this log holder and I'll keep chopping them.
Okay.
You know what's sad? This probably won't be enough logs.
Probably not.
Like, I'm pretty sure we need like 4 log holders worth of logs. Probably finish. Or probably like more like 6. I'll do the roof.
Probably.
So I'm not sure if you're noticing the pile that I'm kind of like throwing over here.
Nope, but Calvin is. He's the one using it.
Perfect.
Because he's building up the rabbit thing, I think.
Are we clearing out this section of forest now?
I guess.
Really?
What's up, baby?
I'm very stupid. You wanna know why?
What's up?
Getting rid of the stump makes it so the tree can't grow back.
Well, that sucks.
Yep.
I wonder why they weren't going back over here.
Yep. Didn't realize. Yep. I apologize.
Okay.
Ignorance. I'll see if I can look at like the game files. Mess with that. Can we have it where this doesn't have one? Only these 2 corners have it?
What?
Yeah.
So no more standing logs.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all you gotta say.
Where's there? I'll go grab more trees. Or
This big thing, do you see it?
what big thing? Our house?
Do you not see what I'm building? Show you.
What is that?
I just made it a little tall.
Oh.
Big lookout tower.
Let's see. It takes 95 logs. Crazy.
Then we also got this lookout tower. This one's dead. Where should I put this? Right there. Boom.
The first one's cool.
First one's bigger.
Yeah, it's cooler.
Yeah.
Can we finish our house first? Because Calvin's
just
gonna try to
placing
finish that. I'm not sure if they regrow or if they don't regrow. I'm getting mixed answers everywhere. We're gonna say we're just gonna wait and see.
And there's sun growing back. Hey, it's raining.
Raining?
Oh, the snow's gone.
This looks like snow to me, bro.
It's raining on my screen.
Not me.
Well, the snow's gone. That's great.
No, it's still here for me. What do you mean? Oh, no, it's going away.
There you go.
Yeah, finally. Survived
You know,
all of
the snow's
winter.
gone for me.
Oh, Virginia brought me a fish.
That's sweet.
Oh, the camo suit's for Virginia, not for us. That's why we can't wear it. Just realized This is my fault. We didn't make it an even number. The house needed to be 4 so it could have a pointy roof. You know what this means, right? With the snow being gone and it's raining? It's small pebble season.
Oh yeah, I've already cooked another.
Oh, Calvin, you're such a weak one. Wow, did you just shoot? Woo!
Yeah, of course it did. Yeah.
Why did I just rapid shoot my arrow like that?
Wait, Calvin.
Oh. Hey, I need you to kick me, sir, not Calvin. Wait, let him kick me. Okay, good. Okay, kick me again. Wait, let him kick me. Ow, okay. I didn't know there was a guy behind me.
Guys ever, bro.
Oh, he's gonna kick me. Kick me again, bro. Oh, he's picking up his friend.
Can I shoot him?
No. I need him to kick me. Got me. Could you get me up, please? I didn't have meds attached to my backpack.
You want me to kill him now?
Mm-mm. I need him to kick me some more.
Well, he's on fire.
No, my guy, come here. Come here, bro. Kick me.
He's pointing at me, Ash. I don't like it.
Run away. Why is he on you now? Do I need to, like, smack him? Oh, he's running away. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna chase him.
It's over here. Excuse me.
Got an arrow at him and he's not happy now. Never mind, he's still running away. Come here. Got him in the butt. Okay, why are you not fighting now?
He's like, oh god, this is a masochist.
Well, I want this achievement, bro. Miss. Okay. Need you to kick me. Kick. That's not kicking, that's hitting me with your club. Oh, that was a kick. I dodged his kick. Oh, yay, I got the achievement. I'm down.
Good job. Oh my lord.
Thanks. Okay, is Calvin getting those logs? No, he's...
He's building right now.
Where's... I'll get the... Grab those logs. We have a skull right here.
Sure.
Is it above you?
Oh, okay.
Hey, Calvin, good job. Can we move the armor stand? No, the armor stands can be upstairs.
Oh, so good.
Is that okay like that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So if you're gonna get logs, I'll look for sticks, I guess.
Girl, you know I don't stick to one thing. I already got bored of this, so I'm gonna go get food.
We're not gonna make Calvin a bed?
Nope. Bro, don't sleep.
Go ahead, bad guy. Come here, man, I need your bones.
Bring
Oh, he
him
didn't
here.
die.
Bring him to the trap.
Oh man, I wanna shoot him in the face.
But he catch him on fire.
Yeah, but I want you in the...
I'm sorry, I was trying to put it in the thing.
I know. Maybe it doesn't do it when I'm holding it. You know, I think we messed up a little bit.
Why?
How are we gonna do the roof? We need support beams. I think if we finish the bed though, we can move it.
I don't think. I think I've tried before and I just destroyed it.
Well, like you can do it with the shelves and stuff and other things.
Yeah, bed's big.
Let's try it. Let's just build it and see what happens.
So how are you doing the roof?
I don't know. Good question. Get that eventually.
Oh, then I'll start it.
I need more people to come down here. I need their bones. I need the
Well, we
bones
might want
here.
to stop building that one thing that it scares off them.
What thing?
That one thing in the back.
Oh, I haven't touched that at all.
I have.
How's the roof coming along?
Slow.
I'll go get sticks.
No, it's time for bed. Time for bed.
I mean, the sun's still up.
We got this bed this time. Come on, get your over here.
Sticks first. Okay, no, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm a stick.
Oh, you putting chairs out here?
Yeah, our little dining table. Okay, now we just need deer hide. Then our bed's complete.
Oh, I have deer head.
We only need 2. Yeah, our bed.
Let's see if it'll let me. Sometimes it'll. Nope. Alright, night night.
Good night. Oh, I was really hoping we have invasion.
Look
I
at that
need
sleep
their...
meter though.
Oh, wow. Oh, that did a lot.
Are we gonna move the bed now?
Oh, yeah.
I always do it later once we actually need it because right now we don't need it yet.
Yeah, because we need logs and...
What are you doing?
I'm gonna get fish.
We have a fish catcher out there, you know that.
I don't think it's working. Don't...
I just got some fish out of it.
How do you get fish out of it?
Okay.
There is no evil.
Because there's no fish in it.
Hmm.
I just got the fish out of it. Patience, young Padawan. The fish will come.
Fry them before I cook them?
We'll just dry them because then you can store it.
I was gonna eat it right away though.
Yep.
I wish I had an oyster.
Why?
I could make this fish stew. Is there oyster in the skin pouch? Oh. You have an oyster?
Oh, look, just a minute.
I doubt it, but...
Let me have some. I have 2 rotten ones, and I have a bunch of pouches I haven't opened yet.
Can you look and see if you have any of
Yep,
it?
I'm looking. Nope, none.
Dang, man. That's fine, I'll make a berry one instead. Oh, wait. Apparently I can't count.
It's okay, you're pretty.
3, 4, 5. So sweet. We have more planters.
Sure.
I want to plant one of every berry.
But it's gonna be so crowded.
Well, it doesn't need to be up here. Put it somewhere else.
Okay.
Definitely not Yeah, it's definitely not used for hydration. I don't know what the relax bonus does.
Mm,
I have a relax bonus.
cool.
I also have a warmth bonus. Apparently the berry thing gives warmth.